If you're considering buying construction management software, specifically Taimer, there are a few key things you should know before making a decision. While Taimer offers a variety of features, it's important to weigh its pros and cons against other popular options in the market, like Planning Center and Breeze. In this video, we'll go over 12 essential points to help you decide if Taimer is the right choice for your church. Next thing, Taimer is known for its user-friendly interface. While many church management software tools can feel clunky, Taimer does a great job of keeping things clean and simple. It's designed for users who might not be tech savvy, but that doesn't mean it sacrifices power. It's easy to navigate, so your team won't spend a ton of time learning the platform. The third thing is its versatile features. Taimer doesn't just handle member management. It also integrates project management and invoicing, which makes it a great choice if you need a tool that covers more than just church operations. However, this broader scope means it might lack some church-specific tools offered by competitors, like Planning Center's advanced worship planning. Next up, Taimer's pricing structure is more flexible than some of the alternatives. It has a free plan, and their paid plans are competitive compared to others in the market. This could be a game changer if you're a smaller church, or if you're trying to stick to a tight budget. However, if you're looking for deep church-specific features, you might find their pricing less justified compared to specialized options like Breeze. The fifth thing is how Taimer handles communications. With features like messaging and automated emails, Taimer is great at keeping everyone in the loop. This can be incredibly useful for coordinating events or sending out newsletters. However, if you need advanced email marketing features, you might find other platforms like Church Community Builder more equipped. The sixth thing to note is its ability to handle donations. Taimer provides an easy way to track and manage donations, which is essential for church financial management. However, the donation tools may not be as robust or tailored to church needs as those offered by specialized software like Tithe.ly. Next thing, customer support is a big factor when choosing any software, and Taimer offers solid support options, including email and chat. However, it doesn't quite have the extensive knowledge base or user community that some competitors like Planning Center provide, which might leave you hanging in certain situations. The eighth thing is its mobile app. Taimer's mobile app is convenient for on-the-go access, allowing you to manage events and track attendance. That said, its mobile functionality doesn't always match the depth of competitors like ChurchTrack, which has a more established mobile app with better usability. The ninth thing to consider is customization. Taimer allows some customization in terms of workflows and task management, but it's not as flexible as some of its competitors. If you have highly specific needs, you might find Taimer's options a bit limiting compared to more specialized software. Next, Taimer has a solid integration system. You can connect with a variety of third-party tools, making it easy to sync your church management software with other systems you may already be using. However, some platforms like Breeze may offer more out-of-the-box integrations for church-specific tools. The 11th thing is reporting. Taimer provides a number of useful reports for tracking attendance, donations, and more. However, if you're someone who relies heavily on advanced analytics, Taimer might fall short. Other platforms like Church Community Builder offer more in-depth reporting features. Finally, while Taimer is a solid option for church management, if you're looking for something more tailored to churches and with deeper integrations, you might want to explore alternatives. Taimer works best for smaller to medium-sized churches, but larger churches, or those with complex needs, may prefer a more specialized platform. Overall, Taimer is a great option for churches looking for a straightforward, affordable solution. But if you're looking for something with more church-specific features or deeper integrations, we recommend checking out our suggested solution that you can try for free. It's worth exploring to find the right fit for your needs.